Hi, I'm Scott, one of the owners of Steve's Auto Repair in Woodbridge, Virginia. We do a variety of services for your vehicle, which includes the safety inspection, the emissions inspection. We do oil changes. We can do tune-ups, take care of your check engine lights that come on. We also sell tires. We perform alignments. We have many ways for you to drop your vehicle off for service. You can either drop it off in the night service, or you can come into the office during hours that we're open. We can even do a contactless service where we'll come out to the parking lot. We also have a shuttle service, and we offer a pickup and delivery service too. We are a Goodyear tire dealer. We sell other brands also. You may see our big Goodyear sign on the corner of Neabsco Mills Road 1 if you're driving past. We're a locally family-owned business. We've been here for over 32 years. We live here, we work here. If you've been here before, really appreciate you coming. If you haven't been here, please give us a try.